Good morning, children. I hope you all are well. You all are staying safe at home. You like to hear stories? Okay, I'm going to tell you a story. Listen to it carefully. The duck and a pup get on a bus. The duck can jump. The pup can run. The bus hits a bump. The duck jumps up. The duck and pup said, "Bus is no fun for us." Now let's read some more words. Bus, under, pup, us, jump, run, fun, duck, bug, up, bump. Okay, children, can you tell me, after hearing this story and all these words, which sound is coming again and again? Yes? Yes. Sound Letter U has sound Now let's read these words. G. For more practice, what you need to do, read the words and then read the story. Okay, I'm going to ask you a few questions. Are you ready to answer? Great. Now, my first question to you, who gets on the bus? Yes, it is the pup and the duck. Both of them. Very good. My next question, who jumps up? Yeah. Now, one more question. Who can run? Right. The pup. Well done. Thank you. Thank you.